Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Bag. I'm Ray. Today, let's learn English while walking on this beautiful mountain. Now I am at the mountain. The air is so cool and fresh. I am happy to be on my own today. That means I am doing this alone, by myself, without anyone else. Look at the sky. It is a beautiful blue color. There are no clouds at all. The sun is shining brightly. It feels so warm and nice on my skin. There are no distractions here. A distraction is something that takes your attention away from what you are doing. Look at these hiking boots. These strong shoes are perfect for this rocky path. I am wearing a hat today. It protects my face from the hot sun. I have my favorite backpack. It is very light and easy to carry. Inside, I have a big bottle of water and some healthy snacks for energy. I also brought a camera. I want to take photos of these beautiful trees. Listen, the birds are singing. Their songs make me feel very happy. The trees are so tall here. They give me a lot of cool shade. Look at these wildflowers. They are blooming in many different colors. I see a small butterfly. It is flying slowly near the purple flowers. The grass is so green. It smells like a fresh, rainy day in the forest. The path is getting very steep now. It goes up and up very quickly. Wait, I need to catch my breath. That means I need to stop and breathe normally for a moment because I am very tired. Drinking water is very important. It helps me feel much better and stronger. My legs are tired. I am having second thoughts. That means I am starting to doubt my decision and wondering if I should continue. Wait, where is the trail? I think I lost my way. This means I cannot find the right path and I don't know where I am. Ah, I see the mark on the tree. I am on the right path again. I must keep moving. I will not stop. I must continue walking forward. One step at a time, Ray. This phrase means to do something slowly and carefully, focusing on each small part instead of the whole big task. Look, I see a squirrel. It is moving very fast between those rocks. The wind is blowing softly. It feels so good and cool on my face. I am almost there. I can see the summit, the very top of the mountain. Wow, what a breathtaking view. It is so beautiful it takes my breath away. Everything looks so small from here. The houses look like little toys. The climb was very hard, but it was totally worth it. It was a good effort. Remember, learning a language is like climbing a mountain. It's not about how fast you go, but about not stopping. Even one step a day is enough to reach the top. I feel a great sense of peace. This means I feel very calm, quiet, and happy inside my heart. Did you enjoy the walk? Tell me your favorite word in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.